The 2026 Kenworth luxury mega motorhome concept, the 4-level rolling skyscraper on wheels, is a bold vision of what the future of ultra-luxury travel could become. Standing approximately 35 feet tall, this towering creation reimagines the very idea of a motorhome. It is not merely a recreational vehicle. It is a moving architectural statement designed to command highways, captivate onlookers, and redefine mobile living at the highest possible level. Built on a heavy-duty Kenworth commercial truck platform, this concept draws from decades of proven engineering excellence. Kenworth has long been associated with powerful long-haul trucks known for durability, reliability, and performance across millions of miles. By pairing that legendary backbone with an ambitious 4-level residential design, this concept transforms commercial strength into an extraordinary luxury lifestyle experience. The exterior design immediately sets it apart from traditional RVs. Instead of a boxy silhouette, the structure flows with sculpted curves and carefully refined aerodynamic lines. The bold red and silver color scheme enhances its commanding presence, while expansive glass panels stretch across multiple levels, creating panoramic views from nearly every interior space. The layered terraces and elevated decks give the impression of a futuristic yacht blended with a modern skyscraper, even while stationary. At the front, unmistakable Kenworth design elements remain proudly visible. A polished vertical bar grille, advanced LED headlight assemblies, and an aerodynamic hood reflect the brand's trucking heritage. Beneath that striking exterior lies a high-performance diesel engine engineered for heavy loads and long-distance travel. This ensures that despite its residential grandeur, the motorhome retains the heart of a true highway titan. The multi-level architecture is the most jaw-dropping aspect of this concept. Unlike conventional motorhomes that typically offer 1 or 2 levels, this design rises upward with 3 to 4 fully functional floors. Each level serves a distinct purpose, creating a comprehensive living environment that feels more like a vertical luxury villa than a vehicle. The lower level welcomes guests through a grand entryway. A wide staircase with sleek modern railings leads upward into a spacious lounge designed for entertaining. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the interior with natural light, while plush leather seating, polished metal accents, and exotic wood finishes create a refined atmosphere. Adjustable ambient lighting allows the mood to shift effortlessly from relaxed evenings to vibrant gatherings. Ascending to the next level reveals a panoramic living space wrapped in glass. Here, sectional sofas face a large high-resolution entertainment display supported by a surround sound audio system. Automated climate control maintains perfect comfort regardless of location. Whether parked beside mountains, beaches, or city skylines, this level offers uninterrupted views in multiple directions. The gourmet kitchen rivals high-end residential designs. Full-size appliances, residential refrigeration, professional-grade cooking equipment, and natural stone countertops provide both functionality and elegance. Hidden storage compartments maximize efficiency, while custom cabinetry with soft close mechanisms adds refinement. Integrated smart technology allows lighting, temperature, and appliances to be controlled via touchscreens or voice commands. Higher still, the private quarters redefine comfort on the road. The master suite features a king-size bed positioned near panoramic windows, allowing breathtaking morning views. Custom wardrobes provide organized storage, while a private lounge corner creates a personal retreat. The spa-inspired bathroom includes a walk-in rainfall shower, luxury fixtures, premium tiling, heated flooring, and advanced water management systems designed for consistent comfort. Advanced technology and sustainability are also central to the concept. Integrated solar panels supplement onboard power systems, while high-capacity lithium battery banks support lighting, climate control, and entertainment functions off-grid. Driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane monitoring, collision avoidance, and enhanced camera visibility, enhance safety and confidence behind the wheel. Spacious lower compartments provide storage for recreational gear, supplies, and travel essentials. Advanced air suspension technology delivers a smooth ride, while reinforced structural supports maintain balance across multiple levels. Even at highway speeds, passengers can enjoy a calm and stable interior environment. The 2026 Kenworth luxury mega motorhome concept represents ambition without compromise. It challenges conventional design boundaries and embraces vertical architecture in a way never before imagined in the RV world. This rolling skyscraper on wheels stands as a symbol of innovation, proving that luxury travel can rise to extraordinary new heights.